Close the doors. Smokey will help you. And there's Smokey's garage. Hey everybody, we've got another KidKraft table with track. And we've already done the Paw Patrol Adventure Bay table, and it had the lookout tower and all of the pup vehicles. But this one is Disney Cars 3. And we even got some more vehicles. We've got Dr. Damage, Miss Fritter, and RV. And they're gonna go on the track. Let's take a closer look. This is the Thomasville track set and table. And you can see here the cotton pin. And there is Smokey with his garage. Wow! And here is the Thomasville racetrack. That is so cool. And there's Lightning McQueen and Cruz Ramirez. I cannot wait to put this together. Now keep an eye out because soon we'll be doing a video of the Disney Cars 3 Florida racetrack table. Wow, look how big that is. It's a huge circle and you have your race cars to race around and around and see who wins. So this is another KidKraft table we'll be doing a video of soon. But right now, let's start getting the Thomasville track together. Let's get it out of the box. Are you ready to see what's inside?
Yes!
All right, let's open it up. Here we go. We've got instructions. Those are important. And we've got screws to put it together. And all of these boxes have our pieces. Here's some of our train track pieces. Those are cool. Can't wait to put them together. And yeah, Cars 3 train tracks. Oh, looky, here's some of our cars. Look at that.
Yeah.
And here's Cruz Ramirez and Lightning McQueen. Now what's left in here is what we use to build our table. This is what we're going to put the track on. There's a lot of little pieces. And here is the table. See that? That's where the Thomasville track goes. And here's where Thomasville goes. Woohoo! Now let's start putting it together. First up, we have to start building our base for our table. So we've got some screws here. And we're going to screw these two pieces together. Here we go. There's one. And two. Now we have to put the other two sides on. Next, we have to take these two pieces and put them together to make one of the legs. And we got to do this 4 times to make 4 legs for our table. There we go. And that's put together. There's one of our legs. Now we gotta do that 3 more times. Hey, we've got all 4 legs on. Look at that. So now we get to flip it up like this and put the top on. Here's the first top piece. There we go. And it says Cars 3. And here is the second one. Look at that. They go together. And now we need to screw it to the table. Here are all our cool cars. Here's Cruz Ramirez dressed up as Jackson Storm. She's trying to get Lightning McQueen to drive faster. Vroom. Here's Lightning McQueen. Yeah, he wants to go fast. Can he chase down Cruz Ramirez?
Yeah.
Here's another one of the cars from Thomasville. And Smokey.
This one's the best.
Here's RV and Miss Fritter. Where's Dr. Damage? Here he is. He's got the Rambulance. And they're from the Crazy 8 Thunder Hollow. Woohoo! And here's some of the other cars from Thomasville. Very neat. They're going to help Lightning McQueen get ready for his big race. All right, I can't wait to try these cars out on our new track. Let's start building and get the track all put together. We've got the racetrack all put together, and Lightning McQueen is racing around. Woohoo! Lightning, you're so fast. But we need all of our buildings. So let's put the buildings on. Here is Smokey's garage. And the doors actually work. You can put cars inside. So let's put this over here. Then we have our stands for the Thomasville Speedway. We can sit cars up here. And here is the cotton pin. And that's where Smokey and his friends like to hang out. We've got our Thomasville Speedway sign. We're going to sit that over here. And over here at the racetrack, we've got some barrels and some tires. I'm going to put these over here. Very nice. Will they be able to race around the track and avoid all these tires? Here's Smokey. He's driving along. He needs to go to his garage. So we're going to pull in here and lift the door up. Beep, beep. And we're going to lift this door. Louise needs some help. Smokey will get her fixed up real quick. Close the doors. Smokey will help you. And there's Smokey's garage. Here's the back of Smokey's garage. And cars can drive through here. And then drive back around. Here he comes. But he's ready to go to the cotton pin. Let's go this way. I'm headed to the cotton pin. Hey, Lightning, you'll have to come and join us. Here comes Lightning. He's ready to go to the cotton pin. He's been racing all day, and he needs some good food. Here we go. He's headed inside. Uh-oh, here comes Cruz Ramirez. Hey, Lightning, it's no time to eat. You need to race. Back to the racetrack. That's right, Lightning. You're going the right way. You need to race some more. You've got to beat Jackson Storm. All right, we're at the Thomasville Speedway. But where's Smokey? We need him to help Lightning race. We're going to sit him up here. Hey, RV even came. And Miss Fritter. She loves watching Lightning McQueen race. All the cars are in the stand. It's time to race, Lightning McQueen. On your mark, get set, go! There goes Cruz. Lightning, are you going to be able to catch her? You've got 3 laps, and you have to catch her. Here they come. Oh, you haven't beat her yet. Oh, you pushed her right off the track. Well, that's one way to beat her. Lightning McQueen wins. Woohoo! Now it's time to beat Jackson Storm at the Florida Speedway. Woohoo! What a cool racetrack. All right, Cruz. Now that I've beat you, it's time to go to the cotton pin. We're gonna eat. Come on, RV and Miss Fritter. Here we go. Lightning McQueen's going to the cotton pin. Oh no, Cruz Ramirez can't start her car. Smokey, we need your help. Don't worry, I'll get you over to my garage and get you all fixed up. Here you go, Cruz. Inside the garage. Smokey will get you all fixed up. Thanks, Smokey. But I really enjoyed showing you this cool toy. If you have any questions, place them in the comments and subscribe to my channel for lots more toys. Thanks, guys.